What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. You will be thinking, Jimmy, what kind of useless video it is? Yes, it is a useless video because I'm a useless man. So here is the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium and here is the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium clear bumper case. You heard me right, a clear bumper case. Let me put this case on. A simple, beautiful case. Hey, you naughty baby, stop destroying my video. Keep quiet. The baby is like doing in the video. So here it is. Here it is. Look at it. So you know to be judge how good is the case. To be honest with you, this case only costs you around $4 or $5 from Amazon, AliExpress, or GearBest, or even you can buy in your local brick and mortar store. One of the cheapest case. The good thing is that is the case clickable. Let me just launch the camera. Definitely yes, this is a must buy case. For a budget normally I recommend a Ringy ARX case which costs you $10, but other than that I really like this case. I really like this case. So it was me, G Magic. Subscribe and bye.